Welcome to homework.
This is the answer to chapter 22, problem number 55 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem asks us what products are formed when all of the amide and ester bonds are hydrolyzed in each of the following compounds. So we have two compounds. We have oseltamivir, which is Tamiflu, and aspartame, which is a synthetic sweetener. Okay, and so basically, we just need to identify all of the amide and ester bonds in each of these molecules, and then think about cutting through them. So in Tamiflu here, we have an amide right here, and we have an ester right here. And so that is it. So now we just need to draw the products that we're going to make when we cut through those bonds. And so we can work left to right. So we'll end up with acetic acid. It's going to be the leftmost piece. The central piece, the core of the molecule, is, most of it is going to be unchanged. I don't really like the way that six-membered ring looks. Let's try again. Better. Okay, so as I was saying, the core of the molecule is going to be unchanged. So this ether will be intact. This amine down here will remain intact. And then where we had the amide connecting here, this is now just going to be an amine. Okay. And then up here, where we had our ester, we will have a carboxylic acid. So I'm going to draw that like this. So there's our carboxylic acid up there. And then the last piece is just going to be ethanol. And that was what was connected to that carboxylic acid that I just drew. Okay, so there we go. That's for part A. For part B, we can do exactly the same thing. So work left to right, identifying amides and esters. And so here is going to be an amide, and here is going to be an ester. And so that's it here. So again, we're just going to get three pieces when we cut this. And again, working left to right, our pieces are going to be like this. So here's the carboxylic acid that results from where that amide connection was, that amide bond. And then the rest of our molecule. So here is the nitrogen that was part of that amide. Now it's just an amine. Our benzene ring, not going to be affected. And then down here, where we had the ester, now we have a carboxylic acid. And our third piece, which was attached to that carboxylic acid as the ester, is just going to be methanol, since we had a methyl ester there. Okay, and so that's it. So two bonds in each of these, one amide and one ester. And so those are the bonds that are going to be cut. And since we're cutting two bonds, we're going to end up with three pieces for each of these molecules. Yeah, and that's the answer to chapter 22, problem number 55.